Hello, fellow donut lovers. Today, we're diving headfirst into a world of sugary goodness. Get ready to make Homer's pink frosted donuts. Imagine your kitchen transformed into a retro bakery, filled with the warm scent of yeast and sugar. Picture yourself with apron on, ready to create donut magic. This is your chance to be a donut master. Get ready for a kitchen adventure that'll make your taste buds sing. Ready to sprinkle some joy into your kitchen? Let's go! First things first, let's gather our donut making essentials. Here's what we'll need. For the donuts: flour, our magic powder; sugar, for sweetness of course; yeast, to make our donuts light and airy; milk, warm and cozy; eggs, to bind everything together; butter, because everything's better with butter; a pinch of salt, to balance the sweetness. For our pink glaze: powdered sugar, the base of our glaze; milk, to make it smooth and glossy; vanilla extract, a drop of magic; pink food coloring, let's get those iconic colors; and of course, sprinkles. Now let's get our hands dirty and make some dough. This is where the magic begins, and it's a fun process that anyone can enjoy. In a big bowl, mix together the flour, sugar, and yeast. These dry ingredients are the foundation of our dough, and getting them well combined is key to a perfect donut. Then, warm up the milk and add it to the bowl, along with the eggs, melted butter, and salt. The warm milk helps activate the yeast, while the eggs and butter add richness and flavor. Mix it all up until we have a nice soft dough. This step is crucial because we want all the ingredients to be fully incorporated, creating a smooth and cohesive dough. Now here's the fun part: kneading. This is where we start to develop the dough's structure. Sprinkle some flour on your counter and knead the dough for about 5 minutes. Kneading helps to develop the gluten, which gives the donuts their chewy texture. This helps make our donuts extra chewy and delicious. Don't rush this step. Take your time to ensure the dough is well kneaded. Once our dough is smooth and elastic, pop it in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean towel, and let it rise in a warm spot for about an hour. This resting period allows the dough to double in size. This gives the yeast time to work its magic, making our donuts light and airy. The dough will become puffy and soft, ready for the next step in our donut making adventure. Section 4. Shaping our donuts. Alright, our dough has risen beautifully, and it's time to shape our donuts. This is where the magic truly begins. First, we need to punch down the dough to release any air bubbles that have formed during the rising process. This step ensures our donuts have a consistent texture. Next, roll out the dough on a floured surface until it's about ½ inch thick. Make sure to flour your rolling pin to prevent sticking. Now, grab your donut cutter, or if you don't have one, a glass and a bottle cap will work just fine. Cut out those classic donut shapes, making sure to space them evenly. Place the cut-out donut shapes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover them loosely with a clean towel and let them rise for another 30 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect donut texture. This second rise is what gives our donuts that light and fluffy texture we all love. Patience is key here, so let them rise undisturbed. While our donuts are rising, we can get our frying oil ready. Heat the oil in a pot to the right temperature, ensuring it's hot enough for frying but not too hot to burn the donuts. This preparation will make the frying process smooth and efficient. Section 5. Frying time. Okay, it's showtime. Get ready to witness the magic of turning simple dough into a golden brown delight that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Fill a large pot with about 3 inches of oil and heat it up to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Make sure to use a thermometer to get the temperature just right, as this is crucial for achieving that perfect golden brown color and crispy texture. Carefully lower a few donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Overcrowding can lower the oil temperature and result in soggy donuts, which we definitely don't want. Fry them for about a minute on each side until they're golden brown and oh so tempting. Keep an eye on them and use tongs to flip them gently, ensuring they cook evenly on both sides. Once they're cooked to perfection, use a slotted spoon to scoop out our donuts and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels. This step is essential to drain off any excess oil and keep our donuts from becoming greasy. This helps absorb any excess oil and keeps our donuts nice and crispy. Let them cool for a few minutes before you dig in, but don't wait too long. They're best enjoyed warm when the outside is still crisp and the inside is soft and fluffy. Enjoy your golden brown deliciousness. Section 6. Pink glaze perfection, the final touch. While our donuts are cooling, let's whip up that iconic pink glaze. In a bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Now, for the fun part, add a few drops of pink food coloring until we get that perfect Homer Simpson pink. Once our donuts are cool enough to handle, dip them in the glaze, letting the excess drip off. And for the grand finale sprinkles, go wild and sprinkle those donuts with rainbow joy. Section 7. Donut dreams do come true. There you have it, you've done it. You've made your very own Homer Simpson donuts. Aren't they beautiful? Take a bite and let that fluffy, sugary goodness melt in your mouth. Remember, baking is about more than just following a recipe. It's about creating something special, something delicious, something that brings a smile to your face. So, gather your family and friends, pour yourselves a glass of milk, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more delicious creations. Share your donut pics with us in the comments below. And as always, happy cooking!